Hey, I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air, and this is about clog drain repairs in Miami. The kind where water is already pooling and a plunger isn't cutting it. First, a quick tip that will save you money. Stop pouring chemical drain cleaners down there. In our experience, it rarely clears a real clog, and it can eat an older pipe, which a lot of Miami homes still have. By the time you call us, the liquid is sitting in the line, so let us know if you've used it. Here's how we actually fix it. We figure out where the blockage is. A single fixture or a main line, everything drains into. A single slow sink is usually a local buildup, but if multiple drains are backing up at once, that points to the main line. And that's where a camera inspection earns its keep. We clear it, confirm it's flowing, and tell you straight if there is a bigger issue underneath. Flat rate pricing and upfront. We've handled Miami's clogs since 1990. Licensed Florida plumbing contractor, CFC, that's our license number, CFC 1433-145. If you got a drain that won't clear, give Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air a call.